August 2023. Let's make a calendar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Great job! Today is Friday, August 4th, 2023.
Fill in the missing day and date. Mark any special days this month. Choose a picture for your calendar.
Goodbye.
What month is it? It's August. What year is it? 2023. Find Monday. Find Thursday. What day is it today? Today is Friday, August 4th, 2023.